Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to manage Google Edge passwords. First, open Google Edge. Head over to three dots here on top right and click on Settings and head over to Passwords Auto Refill. Click on this link, Microsoft Password Manager. If you toggle the sound, this will ask to save password and pass keys. This allows Edge to save your passwords and pass keys and keep them safe. So if you toggle this option on, your passwords will be safe and kept safe on Google Edge. Let's go to more settings. Here we have autofill passwords. So this option will allow websites to sign in automatically. They will automatically put on your passwords for fast sign in. You have here scan passwords. You have show reveal password button. If this on, your password will be shown as not hidden. This will suggest strong passwords also. Toggle it on. And you can also manage pass keys in Windows Hello. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.